In 2010, I graduated with a finance degree. Not long after, I got my suit on and went job hunting, ready to work. A year later, I was shocked. Nobody gave me a chance. It seemed unfair. I handed out coupons at grocery stores just to get by. In the meantime, I really enjoyed writing as a way to explore life strategies, and at the end of 2012, I stumbled upon a technique that transformed my life, and I knew it could help other people too. In late 2013, I wrote and released a book called Mini Habits. It was about a strategy I used to read more, write more, and exercise more. The strategy changed my habits and my life, and because it changed the lives of so many people who read it, it became a worldwide bestseller. Mini Habits is now in 17 languages. After writing Mini Habits, I spent several months to create a video course about it called Mini Habit Mastery, which quickly became the world's most popular video course on habit formation, with over 10,000 students. My second book gave readers a practical way to overcome perfectionism. It is called How to Be an Imperfectionist. It remains one of the highest rated products I've ever created. And Terry Crews has read it. As I considered my next project, I noticed a building frustration that all of the popular books I saw on weight loss catered to short-term results and not real change. I knew I could help. Before I knew it, I was writing a weight loss book. And that's a little bit strange because I've never needed to lose weight myself, and it seems that most people who write these books have some sort of experience, personal experience in that area. But I quickly found that this was an advantage because I would be completely unbiased in my research. The other advantage I had was Mini Habits. From writing this book, I knew that the key to behavior change was overcoming neurological resistance to change. In my research on weight loss, I noticed something fascinating. The brain and body both resist change in much the same way. Just as the brain resists new behaviors, the body resists changes in food consumption patterns and body weight. I knew at that point that I had made a good decision to apply the world's best behavior change strategy to one of its biggest problems. It took me 1.5 years to research and write Mini Habits for weight loss. This is the video course version, which is more about healthy living than losing weight, but when you do the former, the latter follows. I will do my very best to make this one of the most useful and entertaining courses you've ever taken.